How can I send a follow-up job to subscribers who didn't open my original message? When you're sending out certain types of messages to your subscribers, for example, email marketing campaigns or surveys, it can sometimes be beneficial to send reminder messages to people who haven't acted on your message yet. You could send out a reminder to all of your subscribers, but this isn't ideal because you would needlessly be cluttering up the inboxes of people who have already responded. A better approach is to only send out the reminder message to those who have yet to respond. LISTSERV Maestro makes these types of follow-up jobs easy. An important detail to keep in mind is that when you're sending out your first message, you need to make sure that you enable personal tracking. Unique tracking is sufficient in many situations and provides you with aggregate metrics on the number of people who opened your messages and clicked on your links. However, for privacy reasons, unique tracking doesn't associate that data with the names and email addresses of individual subscribers. Personal tracking, on the other hand, provides you with the most in-depth data and allows you to see exactly which subscribers opened your messages and clicked on which links. Once you have sent out your initial announcement with personal tracking, you can see the open up and click metrics on the dashboard. To create a follow-up job, open the main menu and click on Mail Jobs. Then locate the job under Completed Jobs, right-click and select Create Follow-up Job. Enter the name for your job and choose whether you want to send it to people who opened the email or those who haven't. For a reminder message about a survey, select the people who ignored their original email. If you want to be even more specific with your targeting, you can choose to only send the reminder email to those who haven't clicked on a specific link in the original email. Click on Define Recipients from the job workflow and choose the relevant options and link that you want your subscribers to click from the pull-down menus. And click Next to continue. Then simply go through the steps in the workflow using personal tracking and send the reminder message. Once you have delivered the reminder message, you will notice on the dashboard that the message was sent to a smaller segment of your subscribers. In other words, only those who did not click on the survey link in the original email. You can even do a second reminder a few weeks later. Simply create another follow-up job based on your first reminder email. Go through the selection criteria and the workflow again, and send your second reminder. You can do these types of follow-up jobs as many times as you want until you have reached the goals of your campaign. Thank you for watching.